Last question, Rob says, what criteria do you use when deciding whether to rebuild a domain as tier one versus a tier two linking asset? Usually just cleanliness, right? So looking at the backlink profile and strength. So if it's really clean, super clean, and has strong topical relevance in whatever topical category I need, then that becomes a tier one site. If it's a little bit dirtier, not quite as clean, not quite as relevant, but still related, then it's suitable for tier two. That's it. We try to keep the most relevant stuff at tier one only. And by the way, I want to be 100% clear. It is perfectly acceptable to do varied relevance matching in your link building direct to your money site. And in fact, you should do some varied relevance matching, meaning not every link should be fully relevant as linking to your site, because that smells fishy, right? That looks a bit manufactured. So in order to have a natural organic looking link profile, you should have some varied relevance matching in your link profile. So not all links have to be fully relevant. The ones, in order to extract the most value from a link, you want it to be as relevant as possible. So just keep that in mind. Choose your battles, right? When spending money on links, try to, use links strategically to where when you're investing money in the links, you're buying links that have the most relevance. And then the more less expensive links or stuff that you do in-house, it's a little bit easier at scale. You can still use them. I'm not saying don't, but you just be careful and use them smartly, wisely, so that you're not over optimizing or being too aggressive with link building velocity, like link velocity, all that kind of stuff. But you do want some mixed relevance in your link profile in order for it to look natural anyway. Does that make sense? So, but so sometimes tier two linking assets can be used at tier one, is what I'm saying. And it would make sense to do so. But the rule of thumb is you want to stick with the cleanest, most relevant stuff at tier one, the stuff that's a little bit less savory, so to speak, at tier two. Okay.